Welcome to 15538 Pascolo Lane. My name's David Burnham with Compass. We're here in the beautiful gated community of Mirada, just 10 minutes from Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel Island. This place is a nature lover's dream with gorgeous sunset views over this protected natural preserve. So enough of me, let's check out the inside of the house. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, over 2,000 square feet, and faces west on a gorgeous natural preserve. The main living area offers a great room that opens up seamlessly to the massive island kitchen. Mirada is a quiet gated community located on Bass Road in the heart of South Fort Myers, surrounded by shopping, dining, and entertainment. And we're just 10 minutes from Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel Island. Well, thanks for checking out 15538 Pascolo Lane here in Mirada. Again, my name's David Burnham. If you have any questions, call me anytime at 239-834-4365. See you here soon.